If you lose your job tomorrow, how many days can you survive? Think about it. One unexpected expense, and everything falls apart. No savings, no backup, just expenses running every single day. Only stress. This is why most people stay stuck in money problems. But one simple thing can protect your entire life. An emergency fund. It's not luxury money, it's survival money, and you can build it, even from zero. Step 1. Define your safety number. Rent, food, bills, travel, basic survival. Multiply it by 3. That's your first goal. Not 1 lakh, not big dreams, just survival. Step 2. Start small, but start now. Even 20 rupees a day becomes 600 rupees a month. Step 3. Protect this money at all costs. This is not for shopping, not for fun. This is for when life hits you unexpectedly. Step 4. Keep it separate. If it's in your main account, it will disappear. Step 5. Build slowly, but consistently. One day, you'll notice something different. Less fear, less stress, more control. That's what an emergency fund gives you. Peace. Start today. Even small steps matter. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel for more such videos.